In a startling breakthrough published by Harvard Fertility Studies, researchers uncovered alarming evidence that microplastic testosterone disruption may be silently reshaping male hormonal health worldwide. What began as an investigation into environmental toxicity quickly revealed a cascade of biological consequences deep within the testicles, suggesting that male hormonal collapse could be driven by synthetic particles invisible to the naked eye. Endocrine disruptors in testicles, tiny polymers found in clothing fibers, water supplies, and even food packaging, were found to interfere with critical androgenic receptors. These disruptors mimic hormonal signals, derailing testosterone production and triggering sperm quality decline with a precision that defies traditional understanding. Columbia and Oxford labs independently confirmed the presence of these compounds in reproductive tissue samples, reinforcing the global urgency surrounding microplastic testosterone disruption. One of the most alarming findings emerged from comparative studies on rural and urban male populations. Men living in dense metropolitan areas exhibited a 36% reduction in viable sperm count compared to rural counterparts. The common denominator? Elevated levels of endocrine disruptors in testicles combined with signs of hormonal collapse. Harvard Fertility Studies not only documented these changes but linked them directly to fertility dysfunction and increased rates of reproductive system disorders. In response, scientists turned toward ancient phytotherapeutic mechanisms, including Mayan detox protocols, to uncover natural compounds capable of neutralizing these endocrine disruptors. Bioactive agents such as zeolite complexes, beta-glucans, and chlorophyll-bound detoxifiers demonstrated remarkable efficacy in flushing synthetic toxins while initiating testosterone recalibration at the cellular level. This process, now dubbed microplastic testosterone disruption reversal, has quickly gained traction in the fertility research community. Men subjected to 21-day phytotherapy regimens showed improved testicular microvascular integrity and a 43% increase in sperm quality markers. Across multiple studies, these natural compounds helped restore hormonal symmetry and reduce the presence of endocrine disruptors in testicles. The implications for long-term male reproductive health are profound, with this formulation poised to redefine how science combats male hormonal collapse, starting at the molecular frontier. Access the full scientific studies that inspired this breakthrough and understand how Harvard Fertility Studies link sperm quality decline to microplastic testosterone disruption. Link in video description